Happy Memorial Day! Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's Memorial Day and we're doing a little get together. Not get together, it's just two of us, my husband and I. We're just putting some stuff on the grill and having some vegan burger, vegan sausage, and non-vegan burger and non-vegan sausage because only one of us are vegan. So that's what's going on. Let me show you. Nothing much on the grill, just a little. We're not even properly set up. Vegan stuff over here. And the non-vegan stuff on this side. And we have some corn. So, some plantains over here. So, nothing much. Hope you just, I don't even know if you saw, I just hold it over and I didn't even know if you see what I was showing you, but yeah, I think you did. So this is actually vegan sausage and vegan burger, and the non-vegan stuff is over here, and the corn. Like I said, nothing much, like, usually we have some, my husband has some pork or chicken going on, and we have watermelon and like a jug with some sauteed vegetables. We cook some roasted vegetables, or you know, we didn't even bring out the watermelon. It's a little bit chilly outside, a little bit, but I'll be back. Let me go bring some stuff out because we really have nothing set up. We just cleaned the table off and opened the umbrella as you saw, and nothing really going on. All right, so I'm gonna go get some stuff and yeah, bring some stuff outside, and we're gonna eat outside because I was contemplating, should we eat inside, just grill it outside and bring it inside and watch a movie? But yeah, just the two of us under the blue umbrella. Yeah, so see you in a bit. Let me go grab some stuff, and when I get my plate set up, I'll be back, guys. Plain and simple, that's it. I'll be back. And if you're watching, go subscribe. What are you doing not subscribing? A girl need your help. Help a girl out. Okay? So, yeah. Go subscribe. Just pause it for a second. Subscribe. And watch the whole entire video. Watch the other videos. I'll be right back, guys. Guys, the table's starting to look like, you know, look better. I'm getting some sugar-free mandarin orange salsa. Some cherries in here. Thank you. I thought this was the flavor one, the one that have a little sweet to it. It's just the water with the. Cheers. No, this is my favorite chips. I love this. This will get me in trouble. I thought this, you know, that when they put that like Splendor in it, I thought this had it in there, but it's just water. But it's okay, I don't mind. I'll show you what's going on. A little eatery for two. Just have the chips and our little salsa going on. My husband says he's gonna make a smoothie, so that's why you only see one glass. If you're wondering, how come you have one glass and it's two of them? Yeah. It's two of us, but he's gonna make a smoothie. That's what he wants. And that's our little get together, little dinner for two. We got the corn under there. I'm gonna take them out now. That's the update of what's going on. Like I said, it's just me and my husband. Nothing much to share, guys. Just gonna eat some food. And I'm gonna have some mustard. He's gonna have ketchup because I can't have ketchup. According to my blood type, I'm not even supposed to be having potatoes. But I'm gonna eat my chips. At least today, and 4th of July, I'm gonna get one of these chips because I love them so much. But according to my blood type, no potato, no ketchup, no tomato, no cabbage, blood type A. What else? No courgette, eggplant, garden egg, whatever you call it. None of that. Okay, so these are vegan sausage, hot dog. I think I had those before. I think it's a tofu. I was saying maybe I didn't, but I think I did. Now that I taste it, it's like, yeah, I did have it before. Okay, so I'm gonna make a plate. Okay guys, here's my plate. Who say vegans only eat lettuce? Here's my burger and my hot dog, roasted plantain, roasted corn. See that char in the corn? And Lay's potato chips. So vegan don't only eat lettuce, guys. You can enjoy your holiday like anybody else. So bone, apple, tea.
And I never been in break. And the money's hard to make. So I bet they on their face right now.
Polish the saw.
When he tell the story, that's not how I went. Know they be lying 100%.
Happy holidays. I didn't hear you. Recycle. That's the vegan meat. Having a second burger, but not without the bun. That's what this is. Can't tell me that don't look like a burger. Guys, it tastes like meat in my opinion. Because I remember what meat tastes like. And this does taste like meat. It's getting a little chilly out here, a little nippy. In my opinion. My husband says he don't feel anything. That's why I put sleeve on earlier, because I was like, it feels like it's gonna be cool and not so hot today. Wasn't still spring. So what did we expect? These are so good. I could eat all of it. But I'm not gonna eat the third one. But I'm enjoying myself. Even though I'm home alone, I'm not home alone, I'm home alone with my husband, we're alone. We don't have company over. Not that we could have company if we want, or we could go to our cousin. But this is what we do. Sometimes we just chill alone. And just come out in the backyard in the summertime and put stuff on the grill. So, that's what we're gonna do next weekend again. Or whenever we feel like. Definitely next weekend. We'll be out there doing the same thing. Having some more corn and all the good stuff that we had today. And you saw my plate, and now look at my plate. Only the watermelon. I had everything on there plus one more patty. No more. I didn't have any more bread. Just the one hot dog bread and that one burger bun. But I had another meat patty. You know, it's vegan, plant-based patty burger. And then the sausage, the hot dog, they're like this tiny. They're like 60 calories, so I ate 2 of those. And 1 corn and a piece of plantain and potato chips. So it's a lot, guys. So if you're watching this, matter of fact, a guy told me that all my vegan food looked gross. I don't know if you guys saw that in one of my comments. If you check out my one of my shorts, a guy on there told me that it was gross, but that don't bother me. I don't get upset about stuff like that. Well, you guys should try it. Don't knock it until you try it. But nothing else is going on. I just wanted to show you guys my little you know, barbecue and say happy holidays. So guys, give me a like and go watch my other videos and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.